Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be sharing a couple of new things from Lululemon. I grabbed a couple of new, or at least new to me, things from Lululemon. Some of these items I think might be restocks, or at least colors or patterns that they've brought back, or styles maybe that are scaled down versions of previous styles. I'm not sure. I can't keep up, to be honest. But these are all new styles to me, and today I'm going to share them with you. All right, I'm gonna start with the style that I'm most excited about from these that I grabbed today, and that is this backpack right here. It is called the Wonderlust Backpack Mini. So it is the, I don't know what the exact size of it, but it's the smaller of the two sizes. The larger one of this looked pretty big online. I've never seen it in person, but kind of against the mannequin or the model that they had on there, it looked really, really big. So I think the larger style of this backpack would be really awesome for travel actually, but I didn't grab it because I just thought it would be far too big for what I needed it for right now. And I grabbed the mini version, and I am so excited to pack up this backpack. I think it is going to be like the backpack of summer. And I say that because it's not too big of a backpack, but it's not too small. Like I have a couple of mini backpacks that I've tried to make work for me and they just don't, but yet I don't want like a big massive backpack in the summertime that's gonna be hot or just too much space. And so I feel like this is a good kind of in the middle type backpack. Now I haven't packed it up yet, but I can tell by looking at it that it's gonna hold like just the right amount of stuff for like an everyday pack or a minimalistic type all day pack, if that makes any sense. I'm definitely planning on packing this up and doing like a full packing video on it because I just really like this style. It is that nice like Lululemon wipeable nylon material. It's really, really lightweight. And I just like kind of the overall style of it. So let's kind of go through it so I can show you the different pockets. Right here on the flap of the bag, you do have the metal Lululemon logo, and then you have kind of this hidden zipper pocket. And this pocket here unzips the whole width across, and it's this kind of open cavity right here on the bag, which I think is awesome for like hair ties or chapstick or things that you wanna just be able to grab for more quickly. And then you don't have any pockets down here on the front of the bag. On both sides of the backpack here, you can see you have these two large kind of zip pockets, which I really like because I don't tend to keep a water bottle on the outside of my backpacks. I usually just pack that inside, and I would much rather have like an enclosed zipper pocket any day of the week on the side of my backpack. So I love that this backpack has that. So you have one over here on this side, and then you have another one over here on this side. On the back of the backpack here, you can see you don't have any pockets or luggage sleeve or anything like that. I'm not sure if the larger one has like a luggage sleeve or not. I'd have to look, but there's no pockets or anything back here. Opening up the main compartment of this backpack, you have these two metal buckles, which I love. And when you unbuckle them and open up the top here, this flap folds all the way back so that you can easily get inside the backpack. But the closure, which I love, is actually a drawstring right here. So you have a little loop here, and if you unhook the drawstring, it opens up nice and big so that you can get everything that you need out of it. You can see looking down inside the backpack there, you do have a little water bottle like holder, and then you have a laptop sleeve. So there's a spot here for an iPad or a laptop. It is padded, and then you have a zipper pocket right here on front of that laptop sleeve. On the inside, you don't have any more pockets on this side here of the bag. It's just like a big kind of open cavity, but I really like it, and I can tell it's gonna pack up so well for summer. I wasn't planning on trying this backpack on in this video. I was gonna do it when I did like the packing video, but I will go ahead and just like throw it on so that you can see how big this backpack is against the body. It is not full, obviously, it is empty. So I do think it's gonna take shape a little bit differently, obviously, when it's packed, but just for like size purposes, I'll go ahead and throw it on real quick. The straps to this backpack are actually really easily adjustable here on the side. And I am 5 foot nothing for size reference. And this is what it looks like on me. It's really, really comfortable to carry. You can kind of wear it up a little bit higher here if you wanted to, or you could like loosen the straps and kind of wear it like a little bit lower. But this is kind of what it looks like for reference. Moving on here to the next style that I grabbed, and it is a belt bag. And this one is the All Day Essentials belt bag. I've actually had this one in the past and I wanted to do a full like detailed packing video on it, but I never did. And I actually ended up selling it because it was a darker gray color, I believe is the one that I had, and I wanted something lighter for summer. So I sold that one and then since bought this one, and I do plan on doing a review on this one. So I think it's an awesome belt bag, and I think it would be a really good comparison to some of their other belt bags. So this one capacity wise here is similar to the 2L belt bag that we all kind of love from Lululemon. It is bigger definitely than their standard like 1L one. It's kind of comparable to the larger one, but what I love about this one is that it has a little kind of grab handle at the top of the bag, and you have two separate compartments in this belt bag. This kind of main one here on the front of the bag has this fun like chunky zipper, which I love, and it opens up really big. So you can put a lot down inside this pocket here. It's really nice and wide. You don't have any pockets or any key leashes or anything like that. It's just kind of an open pocket. And then on the back of that pocket, like on the back here of the bag, you do have one more zipper, and it zips the whole way around the top here of the bag. And it opens up really wide. Like you can get things in and out of this belt bag super easy whenever you're wearing it, but look how wide it opens up. And you still have this big pocket here, like on the front of the bag, but inside this main area, you do have one mesh pocket, and that's it. I thought actually there was a pocket here on the front, but there's not. Just one big kind of open pocket here, the grab handle at the top, and then of course this big chunky pocket here in the front. I love this belt bag, especially for summer. I like this color a lot too. It's kind of one of those awesome belt bags that you can go to the theme parks with, you can go hiking with, you can go like outside to the park with. It wears really comfortably. The strap is plenty long. This is, I mean, about where I would carry it depending on what I had packed inside of it, kind of on the front of me like this, but you could easily, obviously tighten the strap, wear it around your waist if you wanted to. You can kind of scoot it around and wear it more like on the back of you, like this if you wanted to, but it's just a really kind of comfortable belt bag, and I like it. I like it a lot. Last bag I'm going to share with you today is actually a mini version to a tote that I grabbed a couple of months back, and it is called the Two-Tone Canvas Tote Mini. Say that 10 times fast, but this is the cute little bag. The larger version of this bag actually does not come with a crossbody strap, but this one does, so I'll definitely try it on for you here in a minute. Last I looked on the website, this bag was available in a black and white like checkered print, but this one seems to go in and out of stock all the time. It's just kind of one of those things with Lululemon. They restock some of their popular things pretty often, and this is one that over the past couple of months I've seen come in and out of stock. So if it's something that you really like, I would encourage you to just kind of keep your eye on the website, because the odds are they'll probably restock this one. I'm gonna zoom in just so you can see this check pattern a little bit closer. I think it's a really fun kind of neutral for spring and for summer. I also like the black and white one that I saw that was available as like another colorway in this bag. I think that it would actually be really fun for summer also, but this is what this one looks like up close. On the front of this mini bag, you do have just one pocket here. It's a pretty tight pocket, no magnetic closure or anything like that. No pockets on the back, no pockets on the side, and you just have this cute little kind of grab handle at the top of the bag. Looking down at the top here of the bag, you can see it is open, so you don't have a zipper or any type of closure like that, but you do have this snap closure that is really sturdy, and it kind of has a little bit of a give to it. I really like the way that it kind of hooks there, especially on the bigger version of this tote. It makes it so that you can put just a little bit of extra in the bag, yet still have it closed here at the top. But as you can see, that crossbody strap that does come with the bag here is like inside the bag. I'll take it out so you can see here. And then as far as organization in here, you have one zip pocket on the back of the bag there. And then over here on this side, you just have one kind of pocket inside the bag. So a little bit of organization on the inside. The loop over here where you attach the crossbody strap is actually made of like a canvas material. And this here is what the buckle looks like. It's actually kind of cool. It is more of like a D-ring look on the side. It's flat here. And then you have this little kind of loop that you can loop through on the side of the bag. This is what it looks like when you loop it through and attach the strap to the side. Trying this bag on really quick so that you can see what it looks like. You can obviously carry it by the little grab handle here at the top of the bag, or you can wear it over the crook of your arm like this, which is super cute, or you can use the optional crossbody or messenger strap. Putting this strap here on the tightest setting, so this is the shortest that the strap will go. You can wear it easily as a shoulder type carry bag here, like so, or you can make it a little bit longer. The strap is so long, by the way, like you can adjust it really easily. If you're taller, you wouldn't have any problems at all with this one. But you can make it a little bit longer and wear it crossbody, which I think it's actually really cute crossbody. It's not too big. You can easily get everything in and out of it. I really like it actually as a crossbody. I think it looks cute. And it's super lightweight too. Like this bag doesn't have any weight to it at all. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in some new or restock items from Lululemon. I will have them all linked down below in the description box as well as pinned at the top of the comments should you want to shop any of these. If I can't link them because they're sold out, I'll make sure to put the full name of the items so that you can easily kind of search them and keep up with them on the website, because like I mentioned earlier, they do tend to restock pretty frequently. But if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.